The building of a new structure to contain radiation from Chernobyl in Ukraine and make it safe is into its final stage. The shelter, more than 100 meters high, will house the nuclear reactor damaged in the 1986 disaster and the old concrete structure built to cover it, which is approaching the end of its life. The operation is expected to reduce radioactive emissions drastically, but the 30-kilometer exclusion zone will remain contaminated.
The area of exclusion zone will not be free of nuclear waste because there is the intention to have the nuclear waste storages in the exclusion zone. So there will be a permanent waste management operation.
Once ready, the shelter will be pushed onto rails to cover the reactor. Experts say it'll be another 300 years, though, before it's safe to live in the area. The Ark is protecting the sarcophagus, where there's a lot of nuclear and toxic waste. It'll be safe to live here after at least 10 radioactive half-lives have passed. One average radioactive half-life lasts 30 years. So the immediate area will remain a ghost town. The cost of the shelter is over €2 billion. The EU, members of the G7, Russia, Switzerland and other countries are all donors, with the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development contributing €675 million. Our correspondent says, so the construction of the sheltering structure continues according to schedule. The biggest problem will come afterwards, and it's about removing all the radioactive elements in reactor number 4. At the moment, a technical solution seems still to be a long way off.
Radioattivi ancora presenti nel reattore numero 4. Sergio Cantone, Euronews, Chernobyl.